To create audio library, the recorded audio files in the device, that is mobile phone, should be transferred to the computer. For that, phone should be connected to the computer with a data cable. When the phone is connected to the computer, a window pops up with options of connectivity. Click on Transfer Files among the options. Then an icon representing the connected phone appears on the computer desktop. Double-click the phone icon. This will open the internal memory of the phone. Navigate to the folder where the audio files are stored. Select all the files by right-clicking and clicking Select All. Again, right-click and select Copy. Come back to the desktop and paste the audio files by right-clicking and clicking Paste. All the audio files are transferred to the computer desktop. Create a folder structure with different categories for the files. For example, create a new folder by name Students and another folder by name Project. Move the files related to the students to the students folder by selecting all the files relating to the students, right clicking them and moving into the students folder. In the same way, move all the files relating to the project to the project folder. Now, two categories of files have been saved. Further, each category can also be subdivided. For example, create a folder for each student. Student A and student B. Copy the files related to the student A into the student A folder. In the same way, move the files relating to student B to the student B folder. It is very important to segregate the files according to the need. Giving proper names to the folders and files is also very important for easy identification. In this way, audio library can be created.